This morning I'm going to show you how to make a simple breakfast quesadilla that will knock your socks off. When I said simple, I meant simple. We're going to start things out with some Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, the hot variety. I'll make these quesadillas at demos all across the country, and everybody loves them. They're very simple to make if you want to impress your friends and family. And because I'm trying to make this simple, the egg beaters. This is these egg beaters Southwestern style. You could obviously just crack your own eggs, but these are so easy to use. Check this out. Then you can just scramble them up yourself. Then I'll just go ahead and turn the far right zone off, and we can slide the egg sausage mixture over to the right. Scrape off our egg residue. Look at how easy that comes off. This is just after about 4 hours of use, straight out of the box. I already have that nice seasoning. 10-inch flour tortillas. This is a 3-cheese blend that I picked up at Walmart. Great value brand. It has cheddar, Monterey Jack, and quesadilla. Just layer some of the egg and sausage on top of the cheese. A little bit of pico de gallo in there. So just diced jalapeno, tomato, red onion, salt, oil, and vinegar. Fresh chopped cilantro. More cheese on top to seal the deal. The top tortillas. You don't need to worry about putting your hand on there and spreading germs because I'm cooking at 500 degrees here. Look at that. Blackstone Griddle cutting board. These are made out of koa wood and they are heat resistant, so you can set these on top of your griddle. Just grab your chef's knife. I like Cholula chili garlic or sriracha on these. Just make a little bullseye of flavor. A little extra chopped cilantro just to make it look pretty. And take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Delicious breakfast quesadillas on the Blackstone Griddle. I'm here with Cooper. Howdy, Cooper. So who are you with?
I'm here with Harvest Video out of Atchison, Kansas.
Oh, look at that quesadilla.
I might be a new assistant.
I like this. We can work together. Do you work for food?
I can. Sometimes I do. That's how hungry I am.
There's one there.
Okay, perfect.
One for you, Hayden. Hold on, Hayden. Get over here. My buddy Hayden gets 2.
Thanks.
There you go. He's a growing young man.
Oh, yeah.
I'll let you put this one back together.
Pardon? You take that.
You'll have to slide that back together. Let's grab another one here.
That is really good.
Thank you. Okay, I got a few more here, folks.